how to unlink two Instagram accounts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to separate accounts so they are no longer connected together. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, go ahead and tap on Account Center. From there, tap on Manage Accounts to see all the accounts currently linked together. At this stage, tap on the Manage option right above the account you want to unlink from the list. Following this, tap on Move Out of this Account Center option. And again, go ahead and tap on Move Account. Once done, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Continue to confirm. From there, tap on Move to fully unlink the account. After this, the selected account will now be completely separated from the other and will no longer share any linked features like cross-posting or shared login. Finally, keep in mind that unlinking accounts does not delete them. Both accounts will still exist separately and can be accessed individually going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you unlink your Instagram accounts, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.